Okay, it's August. We're at Studio City. It's one of the casinos in Macau, and it's kind of COVID era. It's 2020. So we're kind of documenting and just kind of letting you see what things are like right now in August in 2020 during COVID in Macau. I'll tell you all about more of this in a minute. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are at Studio City. Behind me is, let me just kind of show you what's around Studio City. This is Galaxy. They're doing massive amounts of construction. You can see all these cranes everywhere. Part of it is already functioning, but there's a lot more that's going to be built. This right here is an immigration point to China. So all this is called Lotus Checkpoint. And you can cross that bridge and go right into Zhuhai. But it's a part of Zhuhai that's being built, so it's not the main part that most people would go to. That's way up north from here, about 7 kilometers maybe. This right here, this train goes through to some of the casinos. So this is the stop that goes to Studio City, and we're gonna go into Studio City in a minute. But kind of give you some texture. Back there is Koloan, all those mountains, and then there's some beaches on the other side of that. Yeah, here's Studio City, the Studio City Lions. And I hadn't seen this before. This is kind of interesting. Those little circular, must be connected to the hotel. I don't know if tourists can go up there without having a hotel reservation. So this station right here goes to just 11 spaces. Kind of cool looking tree. So what I'm going to need to do is show them that I have my mask on, and I have to show them this thing. Maybe I'll show it to you as well. So yeah, basically this is like a health thing. So I have to show it. So this is it right here. And I got this one. There we go. Thank you. So yeah, this little green thing basically says that I'm okay to go into whatever. Okay, so Batman stuff. It's August, so they say there's maybe no international tourists until mid-2021, which is another year from now. But China is open, so people from China can come and go. So I was just at the Lotus Checkpoint, and I saw lots of people, not lots, but I saw people going back and forth for sure. But for international tourists, they're not coming in. So anybody that you see here would be either local or from the mainland. Kind of cool looking bike. So yeah, Studio City has a lot of American Hollywood movie-ish kinds of things. Oh, this is open now. Last time I was here, this was closed. Hairy crab? Kind of a crab restaurant there. Nice decor. Looks like that. Pretty cool. I'm gonna get away before they ask me what I want to eat. That does look good though. Looks really tasty. I like that one. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the food court area. So actually you're kind of lucky because I'm coming in at a new spot. God knows. Pretty cool. So this is the old Macau. So there's a place that overlooks Sao Paulo ruins that has these statue right here. Some other statue. I think that one is in Sao Paulo ruins itself. I guess you can't see it until I get right up on it. And this one is in on the Macau side too. Can't remember the name of that one. T-Pack or something? Oh, can't remember. Pasteleria. So I think this one, this is kind of more designed for tourists because I'd like to bring that stuff back to mainland China with them. And then these ones are usually all open pre-COVID times, but now with COVID, most things are closed. Yeah, it's kind of funny. It says due to the outbreak. There's no outbreak here. Macau has 0 COVID. Nobody has it here, but a lot of people think we probably will get it soon because that's kind of a cool looking place. This is a shop in Taipa that they have this kind of grape thing. Looks cool. Yeah, a lot of people. So this goes all the way down, and there's a place called Huade Felicidade, which has like this kind of design. It's kind of similar to that. But yeah, since we're opening up to mainland China, I think it's just kind of inevitable that Macau will get COVID again. But we haven't had it in 5 months, so we're pretty complacent. But we're opening up to the economy, to mainland China specifically, but not to anybody else. So people like myself are stuck here. We're not going anywhere, can't go. No one will take us to go anywhere. So we have to stay in the city. Oh man, maybe another year? I miss Hong Kong like you wouldn't believe. I want to go to lots of places. This is the other side of this particular restaurant that we saw on the other side. McDonald's has been closed for quite a while. So yeah, Studio City, there's a casino down there. I like the design up here. They also have these signs like in Macau too. Macau has these kind of signs like this that direct the tourist. So yeah, we kind of have like a Hollywood-ish thing. This Egyptian thing is just a sign. There is no Egyptian. I guess that's some famous place in Hollywood, Los Angeles, I guess. Studio City. So we kind of got a mix of Macau. So all this stuff is very Macau-ish. This black and white tile, that yellow tile. Then we have the American Hollywood-esque stuff too, mixed in together. So almost nobody's here in the restaurants because most of them are closed. Pastel with bubble. So the bubble tea is really popular. So I guess they have egg tarts or pastel de nata in the Portuguese word for egg tart, and then they have bubble tea things in it. Bubble duo. The bubble stuff is very popular here and throughout the Chinese-speaking world. I think it comes from Taiwan originally, I think. That's a Macau. So it's kind of cool. We got Hollywood stuff, but we also have a lot of Macau stuff too. It's okay. Tasty Palace. Okay, so we got some places that are open. Big Ball handmade food. Okay. So yeah, this is basically this whole area. Cotai egg tart. It's a bathroom. It looks kind of cool. So yeah, Studio City has this nice Portuguese-esque. Oh, this is kind of cool because you do see a lot of bikes in Macau. Usually scooters, but bicycles too. And of course they're up against walls. That looks kind of Macau-esque too. Empty. For display only. For display only, do not touch. Okay, I guess we're going to go down. Yeah, actually this used to be quite a bit busier too, but it's empty as well. August 2020, Studio City is empty. This kind of has all this high-tech robotic stuff. Flying jet. So I don't know. I guess that must be what do they call that? Virtual reality stuff. I assume. Casino. I can't film there. So yeah. Legend Heroes Park, okay. So I think it's all like cool tech stuff. Under Armour. Okay, we're gonna continue walking down Studio City in August, and you can see what it looks like. And it's basically empty. And who knows? I think they're slowly letting in mainland Chinese, but I definitely see them around, but not that many. So the economy is so okay. Basically a lot of shopping malls, Coach. And then you can go up to I think this is more for kids, so they can go all the way up there. There. And there's a second story up there as well. I don't want this video to go too long, so it's already going to be kind of long. It's kind of interesting. They got Hollywood stuff, and they also have like a mix of New York stuff and a mix of Macau stuff. So Macau subways have all these kind of signs like that. Okay, here's So anyways, lots of sales everywhere. Yep, so you're kind of getting a feel for Studio City. So you got to see coming in from that one particular point, and then we're basically going to walk over to the Parisian next, and you're just getting a feel for kind of the shopping area part. I can't go into the casino parts because it's not allowed with a camera, so I won't. It's a nice seat. Let me just see. So Star Tower. So if we wanted to go upstairs, we could, and then we could go up to kind of a beginning. I forget the name of that, but it's like outside park area. But I don't really want to go in there today. This video is already going to be kind of long. So we're going to angle out of here. If I can find the exit. So let me just see. Foot spa. So I think we're going to try to go that way. I think that is the exit to go to. Then so this is kind of all one big shopping mall area. Kind of a cool little thing there too. Oh, I think that one is the exit. So I can see that kind of red illuminated light. So that's where like cars would come in and out. But I want to go through here because it says Poly Gas. And I think they have some pretty good food here, so we might just see what they have in this place. Poly Gas. Joyride. Yeah, we might actually end up eating here. Yeah, I think we're gonna eat here. And if we go out, you just go right out there, and then you might do that later. But I think this is a good place to have some food. Okay, there's Studio City Casino. And that's the end of this particular video as well. So Studio City is right on the Cotai Strip. Way down there you can see like I think that's like a Buddhist statue up on top. Or it's a Jesus Christ statue. I think it's a Buddhist one though. And then here's the Cotai Strip straight down that way. So that's the end of this one. And the Venetian just lit up. Pretty cool. Alright, Studio City. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.